Another thing to look out for is awards. Okay, so madaming awards, a lot of brokers receive different kind of awards. However, yung importante, yung titingnan nyo dapat is, hindi lang basta-basta may award, ibig sabihin, wow, top na siya. Kasi you have to see then, sino nagbigay ng award. Okay. Like, I could give anybody an award and just make a plaque and then just say best forex broker. Diba?
You know what? I think a lot of entities do that. Yung tipo, nanalo sila ng best something of the year, like best execution and stuff. So, parang, wait lang, I haven't really heard of this yung body na nag-award. I think it's, to some extent also a business for those entities. No? Anyway, sorry. I continue.
Yes, it's okay. So, you have to check sino yung nag-issue ng award. Okay? So, again, an example. If ano ba magandang example? For
are we really gonna name some names?
Philippines.
Are we really gonna name example?
Wag na, ayoko magbunget. Okay.
Maybe one of the past events we can. One of the past events. Siguro wala namang problema yun.
Ang dami, di ko ma-remember. So, you just have to check sino talaga nag-issue ng award. So, normally, di ba nag-mention ako ng mga FINRA regulators. If the issuer of the award is a FINRA regulator, so it's legit. Hindi naman basta-basta makakuwin ka ng award, di ba? From that regulator. Pero kapag yung issuer ng trophy is only like, I don't know, an unknown entity, you just find their name and you Google it technically and then sino ba to? Yung pala sila na yung may-ari. So it won't make any sense. This is not that important. It's just an award, but a lot of people get to like, oh my God, dami din ng award. But this is, you still have to double check the license and the award comes. This is just a booster for marketing, actually. So just check sino nagbigay ng award. That's it.
Pwede ba tayo magbigay ng award sa PAFTI? Are we credible enough to do that?
Pwede yan.
Diba, papasilin mo lahat ng broker number 1 eh.
They do.
Ilang ranking meron, di ba? Bakit lahat kayo number 1?